Vivo's new X300 series is launching in India on December 2, and the biggest question everyone has right now is simple. How much is this thing going to cost? Well, a fresh leak has finally spilled everything, and let's just say, Vivo is not playing in the budget league anymore. Tipster Abhishek Yadav has revealed the Indian pricing for both the Vivo X300 and X300 Pro, along with the price of that new optional photography kit Vivo has been hyping up. And if these numbers are accurate, brace yourself. Let's start with the vanilla Vivo X300. India is getting three variants. The base 12 256GB model is coming in at 75,999 rupees. The mid-tier 12 512GB is priced at 81,999 rupees, and the top 16 512GB option will cost 85,999 rupees. So yeah, the so-called vanilla model is already flagship premium level. Now, the Vivo X300 Pro, this is where it really jumps. India is only getting one single configuration, 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. And the price? 1,09,999 rupees. That's right, crossing the 1 lakh mark straight away. And on top of that, Vivo's new photography kit, basically the Pro add-on they've been marketing heavily, is expected to cost 19,999 rupees. So if you want the full creator setup, you're easily going above 1.3 lakh rupees. What makes this even more interesting is the difference compared to China. Over there, the X300 starts at around 54,700 rupees for the same 12 256GB model, and the X300 Pro 16 512GB version is roughly 75,000 rupees. So yes, the India pricing is significantly higher, like a massive jump. Now, whether that premium is justified with India-specific taxes, import duties, or software optimizations, that's something we'll only know once the phones are officially launched and reviewed. But one thing is clear, Vivo is positioning the X300 series directly against the top-tier flagships from Samsung, Apple, and Xiaomi. The launch is only a few days away, and if this leak turns out to be accurate, the price alone is going to be one of the biggest talking points. Would you actually pay this premium for the X300 or X300 Pro? Or does this push you toward another flagship instead? Drop your thoughts below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.